arguments in this case. What are you going to do as a defense counsel? How are you going to argue this? I guess you're going to stick with my client wasn't there. There's nothing that puts him there. It appears there was no kind of digital footprint saying that he was in the vicinity that day. And we always see that on our cases we cover here. That digital footprint gets people all the time.
Yeah, I'd say in this particular case, I think he's also likely going to focus on his cross-examinations. He's going to talk about how he destroyed the credibility of a number of witnesses. Unfortunately, based upon what I've seen, especially today with his daughter, he did not particularly do a good job with cross-examination. Yeah, I think he's going to stick to the arguments that, like, there's no direct evidence, but truthfully, it's a situation where, all the surrounding evidence can be sufficient to convict him in this case.
We heard from two of the defendant's daughters in this case. One, Carolyn, we heard from her today, testifying that her mom and dad were like Bonnie and Clyde. Clearly no love lost between them. We also heard from another daughter, Caitlin, and her testimony was pretty strong for the state as well. And you know what? Why don't we go and we're going to play a little clip of some of her testimony, Alan, because I really think, she was such a great witness for the state. Let's play that, and I'll talk with you about it on the other side.
Did you subsequently learn who killed Kirby Carpenter after this time?
Yes.
And when was that? The first time you learned who killed Kirby Carpenter?
When I had the waterfall conversation with my father. Kirby would make money on anything.
I asked you if he was a drug dealer. I want a yes or a no.
Yes.
And you knew he was a drug dealer? Yes.
I did, yes.
And you actually participated in that activity, didn't you?
No, sir.
You were a drug dealer too, weren't you?
No, sir, I'm not.
Who helped you put Kirby's body where Kirby's body was, quote, found?
Can you say that again, sir? I did not hear you.
Helped you put Kirby's body where Kirby was, quote, found?
I did not move Kirby's body from where I found it.
Did either one of them have a key to your home?
No, sir.
Did any one of them admit to killing Kirby?
Not that I know of, sir, no.
Who did?
My father.
Okay, Alan, so the state is going to definitely use her testimony. On cross, though, he's trying to point the finger at Caitlin. Now, it did take her a few days to find the body, so clearly she didn't either know where her husband is for a few days, or maybe it was normal in their relationship. Her husband would be disappearing for a few days, or boyfriend, I should say boyfriend, they were not married. Could maybe some jurors think maybe Caitlin did do it? That's what defense counsel's trying to get at here.
I think that's absolutely what defense counsel hopes. The difficulty is, in a situation like this, what we just saw was incredibly powerful testimony. A good defense attorney would really have had to destroy his credibility, would have had to destroy her credibility, and unfortunately, in this particular case, I really don't think that was met.
Yeah. See what happens in this one. Closing arguments on Monday. After this break, Alan, thank you so much for your insight today. We're going to turn to Tennessee. This is testimony in the Baby in the River murder trial for Brandon Isabel. We'll be right back.